In 2024, it's no secret we saw greed and hype absolutely take over. Share prices exploded a long way away from business performance. Speculative assets like Bitcoin rose over 100%. And this momentum seems like it'll probably continue into 2025. And in these environments, particularly for newer investors, it can trigger just a tremendous amount of FOMO, so fear of missing out. And ultimately, if you're not super on top of your emotions, it can encourage you to start speculating in high-flying, expensive stocks, as opposed to making rational long-term investments.
Well, the stock market, we've had a lot of people into the casino in the last year. You have millions and billions of people have set up accounts where they day trade, where they're selling puts and calls, where they, I would say that you had the greatest increase in the number of gamblers, essentially, and conditions lead to this place where more people are entering the casino than are leaving every day, and it creates its own reality for a while, and nobody tells you when the clock's going to strike 12 and it all turns to pumpkins and mice. But this is about as extreme as we've seen it, isn't it, Charlie?
And Buffett is right. When everybody is speculating, it does kind of create its own reality for a while. People speculate and that drives up stock prices, which encourages more people to speculate and prices surge higher again. And sure, maybe this can make you some money in the short run, as we've seen recently, but over an investing career, it's one of the most dangerous behaviors you can fall into, because if you're constantly treating the stock market like a casino, it's only a matter of time before you get wiped out when things come back to reality, which eventually they always do. So the challenge in 2025 is to train yourself to avoid speculation, as Buffett has done over his whole career.